When trains or cars need to go through a mountain, where do they enter the mountain?
Tunnel.
Animals with white ivory and long trunk.
Elephant.
Where would you most likely go to buy some flour? A bakery, a florist, or a supermarket?
Supermarket.
1.5 represents what percentage?
$150.
How many wheels does a bicycle have?
Two.
What is the tool that you use to measure an adult's weight?
Scale.
When you have the primary, the secondary, what do you have next?
Tertiary.
How often does February have one extra day?
Every 4 years.
What do we call a period of 100 years?
Century.
What is the opposite to artificial?
Natural.
What is the thing which we use for painting and is made of hair?
Brush.
What is the music that is recorded for a movie or a film?
Soundtrack.
A lack of which kind of weather causes drought? Dry weather or rain weather?
Rainy weather.
How do you call someone with no hair?
Bald.
Fruits are protected by their skins. Then what is the hard object in the center of peaches, apples, and pears?
Stone.